Hey guys, the brand sent me one of their essential oil diffusers for free so I can check it out and create this video. I want to show you what makes this so peaceful and tranquil. Now to use it, it's real easy. You're gonna plug it into your regular electrical socket. Now next in here, you're gonna add the water and the essential oil. Now once everything's in there and ready to go, you're simply gonna put the lid back on. Now this button here is gonna control the light and this one's gonna control the mist. So let's turn off the lights and check it out. Now you're gonna see several different light modes. Gonna scroll through them quickly here. You can see they're beautiful and mesmerizing. Now once you've selected the light mode for your ambient mood, you're gonna turn on the mist, which is this button here. There we go. Now there's 3 different variations. You can have a strong mist, a weak mist, or an intermittent mist. It's even got a timer feature for 1 hour, 3 hours, or 6 hours. It is very quiet and peaceful, so you can put this next to your bed and sleep with it all night. It has a beautiful appearance. It even comes with a remote control, so you can control it from your bed or from across the room. Now, I would definitely recommend this for anyone who wants an essential oil diffuser for aromatherapy that's quiet, peaceful, and very tranquil.